Exceptional accuracy is inherent in some handguns. You may have seen or heard of pistols and revolvers that could perform any task without flinching, giving a satisfying shooting experience. However, you're about to discover the ultimate list of handguns that have more than just accuracy to offer. We'll show you 5 handguns that'll blow your mind and leave you wanting more. Enjoy the video and watch out for a fun fact that we'll share with you somewhere as the list goes on. We know you love it when we add something extra, so we've decided to spice this up. Trust me, the fact will crack you up and keep you informed. The Beretta APX-1 is a full-size pistol that takes accuracy to the next level. You know how you feel when you seamlessly hit bullseye? This pistol ensures you seamlessly have that feeling because of its outstanding display of pure craftsmanship and perfect engineering through its performance. Whether you're just shooting for the fun of it or you have the Beretta APX-A1 as a defense handgun, nothing goes unscathed when it comes in contact with this powerhouse. Featuring a short reset for fast trigger engagement, the APX-A1 is ideal for taking multiple follow-up shots, making sure that the coast is clear. Its 10-round magazine capacity, ambidextrous controls, lock breech system, tilt barrel, and lightweight are top features that make the pistol deliver mind-blowing effects. Costing about $499, the Beretta APX-A1 is an outstanding pistol that showcases Beretta's knack for producing top-notch weapons at an insanely affordable rate. If anything, the APX-A1 is immensely accurate, commendably reliable, and easy to operate. If you're considering adding more pistols to your collection, this sleek, well-engineered pistol is a great place to look and a good choice to consider. Nothing beats a full-size pistol with an astounding performance at an affordable price point. An icon of persistence, the Daniel Defense H9 is a symbol of innovation and an epitome of growth and improvement. Designed with a size that's not full-sized or compact, but somewhere in between, this pistol serves a handful of purposes as a result. Featuring anodized 7075 aluminum alloy material, the Daniel Defense H9 gives you the experience of shooting a high-end 1911 without compromise. When it comes to comfort and performance, this quality pistol is extremely comfortable to handle, takes reliable shots, and ensures maximum control due to its nicely textured grip. It's no surprise that the H9 cost about $1,299, and for what it's worth, it's not just for anyone who wants to shoot a gun. It's for intentional people who know that quality comes at a price, and in as much as the price tag doesn't necessarily determine the efficiency of a pistol or a handgun in general, a high price communicates that perhaps there's something different about the gun, which in this case is absolutely right. The Daniel Defense H9 features a hammer-forged barrel, a 15-round magazine, and a substantial weight for balance and solid control. It's suitable for southpaws and righties alike, and the ease of use will simply blow your mind. If you're a big SIG Sauer fan who likes to shake things up a little bit, the SIG P226 is here to make that easy for you. Available in both 9mm and 40 S&W, the SIG Sauer P226 is a great pistol to look forward to if you haven't yet experienced the thrill. It's been used by the Navy SEAL, and due to its intricate design and undeniable reliability, the pistol remains the top choice for people who delight in well-designed, highly efficient pistols. The 9mm variant of the SIG Sauer P226 features a 15-round magazine, while the 40 S&W features a 10-round magazine. While one provides a higher capacity, both chambers offer much power with a manageable recoil. So if you're tired of dealing with pistols with nice specs but offsetting recoil, try out SIG's P226 and you just might find the love of your life. The price point is good enough, accuracy is not a doubt, and overall, it's one of the best SIG Sauers out there. Here's a fun fact. Colt Manufacturing Company has become very successful over the years, but it wasn't always successful. In fact, the very first percussion revolver Samuel Colt made blew up while he was shooting it. It was said to be due to a defect in its cylinder alignment, which required that it be put in place with the hand, and if done wrong, things went south. But now, Colt produces some of the best revolvers in the industry today. If finding an ideal everyday carry pistol has been a hassle for you, perhaps it's time to try something different. A deviation from what we know to be the typical standard of a concealed carry gun. The FN 509 Compact is designed to elevate your concealed carry game. One remarkable thing the 509 offers, alongside its relative ease of use, is a high magazine capacity. It comes with a standard 10-round magazine, a 12 or 15-round extension, and it's also compatible with FN 17 or 24-round magazine. With this sufficient ammunition, your safety is certain provided you wield the gun properly. With its short trigger pull and reset, follow-up shots are a piece of cake. The 509 is a compact pistol that offers the performance of a full size with its accuracy level and reliability. It's highly ergonomic, has ambidextrous controls, and features an MIL STD 1913 accessory rail, all for a price below $800. The legendary manufacturer has raised a roar of applause with its new blue Colt Python. This version of the Colt Python doesn't just look different, it feels different, and comes with an elevated experience. Take everything the original Colt Python is and double it, and then you get the performance of the blue version. There are no alterations to the Colt Python's original standard, just some upgrades to its original performance. Colt's Blue Python works perfectly with the .357 Magnum and .38 Special ammunition with no sort of malfunctions whatsoever. A notable upgrade to the Python is an additional vent rib added to the blue version. This legendary revolver features an outstanding target sight and interchangeable stocks. It's made from high-quality materials, enhancing its durability. It holds the standard 6-round and weighs a hefty 42 ounces. Performance is top tier, and of course, it has a price tag to match, costing a whopping $1,559. The handguns we just reviewed are exceptionally good and high performers in their categories. If you want to know for yourself, try out whichever catches your fancy and come back to the comments section to tell us your experience. You may not like all the handguns on our list, but there's surely one that will give you a whole new experience. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and informative. If you did, please encourage us by hitting the like button below and subscribing to our channel to be a part of our fast-growing community of firearm enthusiasts. Click on the notification bell to never miss a beat. We look forward to your engagement and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.